Water, it's everywhere. And yet, even in 2023, we still know so very little about it. In fact, we've just been looking in the wrong direction. Most of us have been focused on the sanitary nature of our water and how clean it is. If there's one word that I can think of to describe the last 10 years, it would have to be misdirection. I think it was Mark Twain that said, "It's not what you don't know that will hurt you. It's what you absolutely believe to be true that just ain't so that's going to get you every time." I believe that bioenergy levels in the body are without a doubt the most important aspect of our health. You might remember drinking water from a fresh mountain stream or an organic deep well spring, and just how invigorating and vitalizing that natural energy-rich water feels. In contrast, the water at our communities today has been chemically treated and actually recycled so many times that it's difficult or impossible for the water to carry the life-sustaining bioenergy that we need. Listen closely, because this could be the most important discovery for your health this year. Hi everybody, I'm Kirk at Water Revolution, and since 2010, we've become known as the trusted doctor-recommended first choice for innovative and affordable energizing water solutions. And as a new water wellness breakthrough, Water Revolution has recently developed a simple and affordable inline technology that you can use right now to enliven, restructure, and invigorate the water that you drink. Erasing old information and then recreating coherent order in the water that you bathe in, swim in, and even the water that you use for your home garden. We call this new double helical vortex device the HelixEnergizer. Recent water research has proven that all of nature is composed of twin opposing vortices. For every vortex that pulls along a plane, another vortex exists in the opposite direction. It's this remarkable opposing force that salmon use to propel themselves high into the air as they climb up and through waterfalls during their annual spawning season. By borrowing the energy of this invisible vortex, these fish are capable of jumping way beyond their normal limits. Water Revolution's magnetic double helical form factor that uses proprietary high-frequency media is designed to dramatically revitalize your water. The HelixEnergizer is a quick and easy-to-install inline whole-house water device which creates a micro-clustered structured water throughout your entire home. Our proprietary HelixEnergizer technology has been designed to create a more loosely bound, organized water, what we call information, that raises the overall frequency. This full-spectrum living water releases low-level vibratory pollution and models various naturally occurring energetic healthy water sources like you would find in Vilcabamba, Ecuador, Lourdes of France as an example. For centuries, people journey great distances to these healthy water meccas that are known for their healing benefits. Adding even more value, the HelixEnergizer has absolutely no moving parts and no consumables to ever replace. Once the HelixEnergizer is installed, it has a limited lifetime warranty that's free of any maintenance whatsoever. This revolutionary device is pre-plumbed in our factory to work seamlessly with either PEX, copper, or CPVC piping using the onboard lead-free quick connect fittings, making the HelixEnergizer pressure capable up to 300 psi. This device is also available with standard 3/4 inch hose fittings to use in your garden. To install into your whole home water supply, you simply cut out a 10.5 inch pipe section using the included custom-made marking template guide stick and the close quarters pipe cutter tool. Then simply push fit the unit inline to your piping and you're finished. For homes that already have drinking water filtration equipment, we also developed a smaller 3/8 fitted unit that can be coupled directly to any under-sink or commercial drinking water system, or even used alone with your existing kitchen faucet. And this will create a potent energizing effect. Any of these units take about 15 minutes to install and are sent to you with the special tools and the guidebook included. Another great standard feature here at Water Revolution is our 7-day-a-week tele-installation support, as well as our limited lifetime warranty. And for a short time only, these devices are available with extra special savings for you. The The HelixEnergizer is a fantastic structuring and energizing system to erase and invigorate the energy pattern and structure of your water, and can be used for your whole home, your under-counter drinking water system, your swimming pool, or even as an add-on to your existing filtration system. This is just one of the many reasons why the HelixEnergizer is part of what we like to call the water revolution advantage.